My order arrived really quickly and I was excited to check out my first PCBA product, hot off the press. I tested the battery holders by holding an LED up to them and putting battery in and testing that the switch worked. And I also tested these for longevity by leaving a battery in the holder for over a week to make sure that the pressure of the battery doesn't spring the clip loose. Thing where I just opened up the data sheets of the specified products and the products available to me through JLC and found ones that had the exact same spacing between their pads. So both the clip and the switch, those are the two components. Also on JLC, I set the board thickness. So I'm using a thinner than average PCB. And then also the board color. So I wanted them to be black because black goes with everything. And if I want to put it on the outside of a project so that you can see the electronics, it's just going to match better than purple. So once JLC had my board files and also my bill of materials for the parts that go on the board, then they went ahead and manufactured them. That involves making a stencil for the solder paste, applying the solder paste with the stencil, populating the board with the pick and place machine, and then running the board through a solder reflow oven. One of the things we do to make this process more efficient is